there, it's Katie with Salty Pearl Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the Suzette stitch. So we are going to be working in a chain that is an even number, -1, but +1 turning chain. So really any even number works. I'm going to chain 12 to start. We're going to skip the first chain and work a single crochet and a double crochet into the second chain. Now I prefer to work into the back bump. I'll finish my single crochet and a double crochet in the same chain. I do have another video about working into the back bump of a chain if you are new to crochet. So now that we've worked a single crochet and a double crochet into the same stitch, we're going to skip one chain and do the same thing in the next chain here. Work a single crochet and then a double crochet in the same chain. And you just repeat that pattern across the row. Skip one chain, work a single crochet and a double crochet into the same chain. Skip one, single crochet, double crochet into the same chain. Skip, single crochet, double crochet into the same stitch. Skip one, single crochet, if I can sneak my hook in there. Single crochet and double crochet into the last chain. To continue in our pattern, we're going to chain 1 and turn our work, and then working into your double crochets. So the first stitch, you're going to single crochet and double crochet. Skip the single crochet and work another single crochet and double crochet pair into that next double crochet stitch. I'm going to complete a couple more rows so you can see how the pattern looks in a little swatch. Now that I've finished this swatch of 4 rows, you can see that it has really just a nice, lovely texture. I actually have a crochet dishcloth pattern that's really similar to what we just worked up, only you're starting with 26 chains. And I also have another textured Suzette Stitch Dishcloth that has a ribbed border around it. This is the simple Suzette dishcloth. I will go ahead and link the pattern in the description for you. This is an absolutely amazing way to practice the Suzette stitch along with the camel stitch or half double crochet through the 3rd loop rib stitch. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more stitch tutorials like this one.